How to grow Instagram followers authentically. Growing Instagram followers authentically takes a mix of consistency, engagement, and a genuine approach to creating valuable content. Here's a guide on building a loyal, engaged audience organically. 1. Define your niche and target audience. Identify your focus. Determine the niche or theme of your account, e.g., travel, fitness, art, fashion, and tailor your content accordingly. Understand your audience. Get a clear idea of who your ideal followers are, their age, interests, and the type of content they engage with. This will guide both content creation and interaction strategies. 2. Create high-quality, consistent content aesthetic and branding. Create a cohesive look for your feed by using similar colors, filters, or themes. This can make your profile visually appealing and recognizable. Quality visuals. Use high-resolution images or videos and experiment with different types of content: photos, carousels, reels, and stories. Reels especially are effective for reaching new audiences because Instagram prioritizes them. Consistency. Posting regularly helps keep your audience engaged. Many creators find success with 3-4 posts per week or daily stories. Consistency is key, but balance it with quality. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and DMs. Show appreciation for people interacting with your content by responding genuinely. This helps build a loyal community. Like, comment, and interact with others' posts. Regular engagement with others' content, especially in your niche, helps increase visibility and builds relationships with potential followers. Use Instagram stories, share updates, ask questions, use polls, or host Q&As. Stories keep followers engaged and give them a behind-the-scenes look into your life or brand. 4. Use relevant hashtags. Strategically. Use niche hashtags. Choose hashtags that are specific to your niche rather than extremely popular ones where your post might get lost quickly. For example, instead of hashtag travel, try something like #backpacking Europe or #hidden Europe. Experiment and analyze. Use a mix of branded, community, and popular hashtags. Track which hashtags work best over time and adjust as needed. Create a branded hashtag. Encourage your followers to use your branded hashtag so you can easily see user-generated content and build community. 5. Leverage Instagram Reels and explore new features. Create engaging Reels. Reels have a high reach and visibility potential. Focus on short, catchy, informative, or entertaining videos that resonate with your audience. Hop on trends, but add your twist. Use popular sounds or challenges, but ensure they align with your brand or message. Explore all content formats. Take advantage of new Instagram features as they roll out, like collaborative posts, guides, or shopping tags. Instagram often boosts the reach of content created with new features. 6. Collaborate with others in your niche. Engage with influencers or creators in your field. Collaborations can expose your profile to a new audience. Look for creators with a similar audience size and style for partnerships. Host joint giveaways or challenges. Collaborating on a giveaway with another creator can bring in followers from each other's communities who are genuinely interested in similar content. Tag brands and relevant accounts. This can increase your exposure, especially if those accounts engage with or share your content. 7. Optimize your profile for new visitors. Clear bio and profile picture. Make sure your bio clearly states who you are and what people can expect from your page. Your profile picture should also be high quality and recognizable. Use call to actions. Include a call to action in your bio, like a link to your website or encouraging people to DM you with questions. Create highlights for key content. Save important or valuable stories to your highlights so new visitors can get an idea of your content. 8. Encourage user-generated content, UGC. Ask followers to tag you in their posts. If you have a product or brand, encourage your audience to share photos using or interacting with it. Repost UGC in stories or feed. Showcasing your followers' content helps create a sense of community and encourages others to tag you as well. 9. Track performance and adjust strategy. Use Instagram Insights. Analyze your post and story performance to see what type of content resonates most with your audience. Pay attention to reach, saves, shares, and overall engagement. Refine your strategy. Use what you learn from insights to adjust your content strategy over time. Look for patterns in posts that do well and adapt. 10. Be patient and authentic. Stay genuine. People are drawn to authenticity, so be real with your audience and let your personality shine through. Build relationships over time. Authentic growth on Instagram takes time, so focus on delivering value, engaging meaningfully, and building genuine connections rather than just numbers. Authentic growth may not be instant, but it results in a loyal and engaged audience who value your content and are likely to stay long-term.